Hi and welcome back to the workshops. Right, now what we've got in today is a little piece that is mine. It's an absolute little gorgeous piece. I saw it, loved it, thought it, gotta have it. And it's not for sale. So what we're doing is we're just going to do it all up and make it look even more spanking than it actually does. This is a cast iron scales by a company called H Pooley Sons Limited. Well, H Pooley is Henry Pooley. Henry Pooley started making scales in about you're looking at about 1790, and then about 1830 his sons came into the business. So we can date this thing to after 1830, okay? Because you can see up there, it says and Sons Limited. Now, on top of that, another good indication for the date is when he first started the business, it was in Liverpool. So we know that he's progressed and moved forward there. So the head office has moved down to Birmingham and Glasgow, where he's actually retailing these from. So you know roughly that it's after or around about 1896. Really, really beautiful little piece. It carries weight of 24 stone. Okay, so that should be me covered. Well, this thing itself, all this is all brass. These sliding blocks are all brass, and yes, to the best of my knowledge, it does work. I'm not going to show you my exact weight, but I don't weigh anything less than 10 stone. Okay, we'll call it 10 stone. Now, what we're going to do with it is take all this top bar off, polish it all up, make it look all absolutely gorgeous. Get down into the mechanism, which is inside here. I love cast iron pieces. They weigh an absolute ton. Okay, that is the foot plate. And then you've got all this gubbins on the inside here. See, it wants to work. It's quite happy to work. So all this needs to be cleaned and be oiled, and then it all has to be regulated. Now the white, I'm not sure. I might just clean that up rather than repaint it, because at the end of the day, it is a beautiful little piece. And we want to try and keep it as authentic as possible. I think there's another colour underneath there. It's like a aquamarine colour. Mind you, that might go well with my bathroom. Okay. Right, if you want to follow the progress of this, just carry on checking us out on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, and all the rest of that type of gubbins. And yeah, you get to see what we play with. Okay. Thanks very much again for checking in, and I'll speak to you soon. In the meantime, take care of each other, stay safe, and wash your hands. Okay. Take care now. Bye bye.